everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is me Vijaya once again, and for today's video I have something very interesting. I am going to recreate Mostly Sane, that is Project the Cooley's 3 outfit. Now the condition here is I only have to recreate her Indian outfits. It can be Indo-Western, no doubt, but not Western. So it is going to be tough because firstly it is quarantine and secondly I will stay here and my clothes are not here. But yes, I do have my old clothes. I have to probably search something in my closet. I would find that. In case if not, I will DIY. I'm good at DIYs. So in case if you are new to the channel and if you like what you watch, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we should just get started with today's video now. I have somewhat managed to get the colors that I have selected. I mostly selected white, pink, black because these are the normal clothes that I usually wear. So, dhunne mein aasani hoti hai. Let's see. ये तो दुपट्टा है. Because मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ कलर्स चल रहे थे. Oh, we have decided pink. Ching. Now I found that this is a dupatta. Vijaya, good going.
So this is the first look we are going to create. This pink will be okay. I think I have something better. Let me just check. Yes, so I found it. This is the top that I bought way back. It was not of my size, so I never wore this, but looks pretty good. I did the fitting and yes, it is a success. It is somewhat similar to Prajakta's look. Now this is the second look for creation. I already had a plain black kurti, but the problem here was with the jewelry. She wore some silver jewelry which I didn't have, hence I had to do some jewelry hack. Hence I used this kamarband which I bought for Navratri and wrapped it around my neck. And yay, I'm super happy I created this look as well. Now coming to the third look, this was my personal favorite. So this is my dad's shirt that had the same checks. Hence I decided to convert this into a tunic top. This was tough but definitely worth it. This has to be my personal favorite out of all the looks that I created. What do you think about the recreation? Do let me know, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye bye.